Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and this right here is Speedcube Shop's 1x1 Speedcube. As you guys can see, the turning on it is really nice and I'm able to get some pretty good times. However, as you guys can also hear, the turning is incredibly dry. So in today's video, I thought that would be a great idea to show you guys how I go about setting my 1x1s, and hopefully after this video, your 1x1 will be almost as nice as mine is. Keyword, almost. I doubt anyone in the world will be able to try the best 1x1 ever because only I have it. Alright, so the lubes you'll be needing for this are Nebula for the core and Lunar for the pieces. The Nebula will be able to smoothen the core a little bit and the Lunar will bring it back up to speed. Alright, so let's start out by lubing the core. As you guys can see, the core is right there and I'm just going to be applying one drop of lube to various parts of the core. Let's do this. Alright, so here we have one drop here. Gonna go ahead and flip it over. Another drop right here. Just go ahead and put blobs basically. Here's another drop. Let's go ahead and put it. And I guess 4 drops should be enough. So I'll just go ahead and put the last drop around here. Alright then, now you just gotta go ahead and work it in, and as you guys can probably feel, the core definitely feels a lot softer now. It does get a little bit looby on the outside as you guys can see, so you probably just want to take a tissue and wipe it down. So yeah, as you guys will probably notice, the cube definitely feels a lot softer now. However, it has gotten a little bit slower and that's not what we want. Therefore, this is where the Lunar comes in. What you just gotta do for Lunar is set the 1x1 on the table and go ahead and pour 2 drops on top like this. Then what you got to do is flip the cube over and put 2 more drops, and oops, that was 3 drops, but who cares. And finally flip it over again and put another 3 drops. Alright then, let's go ahead and give this some turns, and wow, yes, it definitely does feel a lot faster now. The cube is able to retain that soft feeling from the Nebula lube, but the Lunar also sped it up, which is absolutely amazing. As you guys can see, the cube will definitely get very looby and so will your hands, so you definitely want to wipe it down with the paper towel again. But overall, from what I can tell, this setup definitely brings out the best in a 1x1 Speedcube, and yep, I can't wait to start solving with this. Actually, you know what, let's go ahead and do a quick solve right now. Oops. The 1x1 is so fast that it literally flew off my table onto this side bed right here. But as you guys saw, the time was pretty great, 0.14. Let's actually give it another solve. There we go, 0.15. As you guys can see, my times have improved so much just by doing this simple setup. So that's about it for this video on how you can set up your 1x1 Speedcube. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and I wish you all a very happy April Fool's Day. Goodbye.